In this visual comparison, we take a clean, side-by-side look at four compact wireless microphone systems designed for modern creators. The BOYA Magic, the SmallRig S70, the Hollyland Lark A1, and the SmallRig S60. Laid out together, their design philosophies immediately stand out, from the minimalist charging cases and smooth matte finishes to the subtle differences in size, shape, and button placement. The transmitters reveal contrasting approaches to portability and usability, with variations in clip design, surface texture, indicator placement, and overall footprint, while the receivers showcase distinct layouts that hint at different workflow priorities. Even without powering them on, details like case hinges, lid transparency, magnetic docking, and accessory integration help define how each system fits into a creator's daily setup. Seen purely through form, finish, and physical presence, these microphones represent four interpretations of the same goal: compact, cable-free audio tools built for cameras, smartphones, and on-the-go recording. This showcase is about what you can see at a glance: design, proportions, and build identity, letting the visuals speak for themselves before any technical comparison begins.